Hi, my name is Sonia and we are CiMa-Pak, and today we're going to show you the TPS Mini, which is a modified atmosphere tray sealing machine. This is a tabletop version. You can see it's the smallest one that we have. It seals CPET trays, APET trays, all kinds of trays, whichever size you're looking for. You can get various molds for different trays, and you'll see you can do 2 small ones or you can do 1 larger one. To get started, you would be turning on. Now we've preset this, but here is your power switch. You'd be turning on your machine. We have preset the temperature. We're doing CPET trays, so around 150 degrees Celsius. Then in the programming, we can do many programs here. We have several programs, so you can choose various gases and settings. We've chosen program 1, where we're going to do a 99%. We're going to draw out the air. Then in the gas, we're going to put back about 85%, so it doesn't collapse the tray, and we're going to seal at 1.5 seconds. We get back to program 1 and we're ready to go. The film is in place. We're going to put our trays in. As we push the drawer in, it's going to draw the film with it. It has magnets, it's going to draw the film with it. Push the drawer in all the way, and you're going to press the start button to get started. And what's happening here is the machine is drawing out the oxygen from the tray, which is the part that induces the bacteria to grow. It's going to replace it with a different gas. It's usually a carbon dioxide or a nitrogen mix to get a longer shelf life. That's the goal. You want to keep your food fresh, not frozen, but get a longer shelf life. So in here we're doing the vacuum first. It injects the gas. It does the sealing, and we're going to hear when it's done. We pull our trays out, and we can see here that the film has been cut the complete contour of the tray. There is a slight concave to it, so you know you have pulled the vacuum. And the space that you see inside is now filled with a gas and not oxygen any longer. And then you can change that, and you can pack other things, various, anything. You can do paella, you can do meals, you can do dips, you can do anything that you might think. So very simple, as you saw. We push the drawer in, press start, and away it goes. So we have the fresh meals sealed with a gas, so it'll last longer in the refrigerator. You can have various molds with this machine. To change the mold, you're going to need a screwdriver and you're going to need some gloves to protect you. To start with, we push in the drawer. We put this to change mold, and we turn off the power. Additionally, you're going to unplug the unit so you have no chance of electrical problems. There are 4 thumb screws here on the side. We're going to remove all 4. Thumb screw. Remove this panel. When we remove this panel, you'll see there is a safety switch here. If this is not plugged in, the machine will not function. Now we need our screwdriver to remove 2 screws here. With the change mold key, there is a handle. With this handle, you're going to screw this into the top part of the mold. That gives us something to pull the whole unit out with. When we pull the drawer and the mold, the whole thing will come out. Like this. Now this is where you're going to need your gloves, because it could be hot if you've just had it on. It also, there are sharp blades on there, so in order to protect your hands, you would want to do that. So we can lift them up. Here you can see this is where the sealing is done, and this edges. The center is raised, and around each one there is a blade. You could take out this part, the lower part, as well, and you change it for a different mold. Then of course when you're putting everything, you put everything back, and you want to very positively push it back in. Make sure it's all the way in place. You're going to take this out. So we'll put everything back the way it was. The key will have to go back in for the safety. And once everything is back in place, the final thing that is quite important is that we're going to put the key back into the change mold, turn it away from change mold, and turn on the power. You can hear that it lifts, and you can pull out the drawer, and you're ready to start packaging. So there you have it, the TPS Mini Tabletop Modified Atmosphere or Vacuum Gas Tray Sealer, all available from CiMa-Pak. The film, the sealers of various kinds, including this TPS Mini, and we have a variety of trays to choose from. So just give us a call at 1-877-631-2462. Thanks for listening.